Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This prevents airbag faults and accidental shorts. Once done, open the glove box and remove the stop pins so it drops free. You need that access. Next, pry off the center stack trim and the HVAC control bezel with a plastic tool, exposing the screws. Make sure to keep the screws organized. Use labeled containers because similar fasteners reappear later. Now, remove the 7mm and 10mm bolts along the dash top and under the lower panel. You'll find some behind the glove box and under the steering column. Carefully unplug the electrical connectors for the gauge cluster, HVAC controls, and steering column switches. Press tabs, then pull straight out to avoid broken clips. Once major connectors are free, position a jack with a wood or rubber pad under the dash to support weight, and loosen. With fasteners out and the dash supported, tilt the dash forward slowly and pull it clear of the cowl, watching for hidden wiring harnesses and HVAC ducts that can snag. Disconnect the heater box hoses and any remaining ground straps. Label connectors during removal so reconnection is painless. When reinstalling, reverse the steps, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect the battery. Troubleshooting tip: if airbags or gauges show faults after reassembly, clear codes with a scan tool. Recheck all connectors and the battery ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.